Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching us from. My name is Abedin James. This is gypsum ceiling grease. As you can see, 2x2 gypsum ceiling grease. We have the perfect installation. As you can see, it can be used for residential apartments, office, warehouse, church, mosques, and many more. And then we have the laminated gypsum ceiling, water resistance. Water resistance. Let me show you the face. This is the back view. This is the back view. This is the back view. You can see it being laminated front and back, and it is very strong. It is strong board. It is modern ceiling. This modern ceiling. Check out the face. It's a nice design, very strong and affordable. You can contact us on 080-6309-8718. You can also WhatsApp us. That number is 080-6309-8718. We have the perfect installation, and the installation still in progress here in Peru, Ogun State, Nigeria. Installation is in progress. Ceiling grease installation is in progress here in Peru, Ogun State, Nigeria. You can contact us for your projects. You can contact us for your POP ceiling design, parapet, window design, pillar design, floor tiles, aluminum roofing, aluminum casement, window. Give it the best. And AGF door will give the best, and we don't disappoint customer. Thank you. Please share and let the whole world to see it. Share and let the whole world to see it. Thank you. God bless you. We update you as soon as we are done. We definitely update you. That's the square. That's the square. This is the finishing of the gypsum first ceiling design. As you can see the finishing is wow. This finishing is wow. It is water and fire resistance. To water and fire resistance. This type of ceiling that will last for a project. You can contact us on 080-6309-8718. You You can contact us or WhatsApp us on that number. The trial will convince you. As you can see, perfect work, very perfect, very perfect. The finishing is wow. The finishing is wow. You can put your spotlights on it, and then if you want to use ceiling fan, you can use ceiling fan. You can use ceiling fan. It's a nice design. It's a nice design. It's a nice design. You can contact us once again on the 08063098718. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. God bless you.